Um, I'm like shaking a little bit because I'm very nervous. I'm not very good at being put on the spotlight. But I would like to just start by saying a genuine thank you so much to Zoe and Eric, because without you, I don't know where I would be. Like I definitely, I think when I found you, I was in a state of desperation.
Mm.
Some of the things you've said today have just like got me excited and like has I feel like, yes, that was me. That was me. That's where I was. And now I'm here and it's so cool and exciting. And like the Allowing Love process came to me via a 27-day Allowing Love process where we learned the 5 steps, um and I was changing careers, and I just was really freaked out because I didn't know if my next career was going to work out and how to call people in to get my services. And the Allowing Love steps helped me so much that I just started manifesting clients out of nowhere. And all of a sudden I had a business and it was running. And I was like, oh my gosh, it really works. Like, this is crazy. And then and I just like really, I was just amazed at how it worked in 27 days. I couldn't believe it. And then, um, like one of the things that really resonated with me today is just that self-compassion. Like I grew up a people pleaser for sure, through and through, and I thought that people pleasing was compassionate.
Mm.
But really, after listening to this today, like true compassion and helping people and being a, like being a people pleaser, to me, I thought I was helping people, but really the truth behind that is if I help myself, I can help other people. And like one of my favorite quotes of all time is from the Lizzo song, Juice, I believe. And it says, if I'm shining, everybody gets to shine. And to me, that's what this Allowing Love process gave
Mm.
me the opportunity to do, was to shine and to love myself, to trust my intuition. I got out of a toxic relationship where I was hating myself and hating the other person. I've become a better communicator in all of my relationships.
Yeah.
I feel like I know the source of a lot of my traumas now, and I can heal them and go back to them and just say, thank you. I
Mm.
forgive you. I
Wow.
hear you. I see you. And just like embrace that part of me that was broken. And I feel like I just have a bigger, broader tool set moving forward to be able to help others and myself. And I now truly believe that the best way to help other people is through helping myself. And I can't believe, like, the whole Allowing Love experience for me has just been pure magic. Like,
Mhm.
from the learning how to forgive myself, like that to me was a huge tool of just being able to move forward in my life, just being
Yeah.
able to say, I forgive myself for existing, for
Right.
being here, and just
Right.
like for allowing people to take advantage of me,
Mm.
for feeling that worthlessness, like to just know that those pieces of me are okay and part of my imperfections. And um yeah, I mean, I couldn't say enough about this. I could go on and on for days, but in
Mm.
service to time, I'm sure that's enough. But
Absolutely perfect. Well, just Amelia, thank you for all that you give to Allowing Love and for supporting as a coach in the program. It's just such an honor to have you with us. And if anyone is in the Fort Collins area in Colorado, Amelia is a profound rolfer. She does any of the chef, the really healthy, organic, incredible chef, private catering chefing for us when we do Allowing Love events. She just has so many talents. So if you are in Fort Collins, Colorado, please do connect with her directly because she's just a wonderful person to know, and I'm so grateful that we have her and her gifts in this program.
Me too.
It's
thank
just
you.
such incredible. Makes me cry. Amelia, thank you, sweetheart.
Thank
It's not
you.
fun to be put on in the spotlight in so many ways. So thank you for being vulnerable and really standing fully in that.